Welcome to Macmo Academy. In this video, we will learn a very important and interesting topic. Angles formed by two parallel lines and are transversal. First of all, we will discuss each and everything in detail from the scratch so that if anybody doesn't know what are parallel line, what is a transversal, then stay connected with the video. And if you have not liked and subscribed our YouTube channel up till now, so please like our YouTube channel, subscribe it and press the bell icon button as well. So what are parallel lines? So parallel lines are those lines which will never meet at any point. Two lines which do not intersect at any point are considered as parallel line. It could be three line as well. So we are having so many real life example of parallel lines like railway track which do not meet at a single point, like some other sometimes roads, parallel parking. So if the cars are parked like this, so these are parallel parking like that. So there are so many examples in real life. So the line which do not intersect at single point, those are called parallel line. But those in the previous video we have discussed if lines intersect each other at some point, so they are called intersecting point, and this is called point of intersection. So these are called intersecting line. And there is one more thing, perpendicular line. If two lines intersect at each other at 90 degree, means the angle between them is 90 degree, so those are called perpendicular lines. So these are the three basic types, three basic ways in which the line behave with each other. So especially if we talk about parallel line. So in case of parallel line, if two parallel lines are intersected by a third line, so that line is called a transversal. So this line is called a transversal line. If two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal by a third line, that line is called a transversal. And there will be few sets of angles will form as well when this type of situations happen. These arrows indicates that these lines are parallel with each other. So this is one of the major thing which is kept to be noted in our mind, that if there are these two arrowheads are there, so it means that two lines are parallel with each other. So this is one of the important thing to identify whether these lines are parallel with each other or not. So there could be another set of line in the presence of this line could be given, so the number of arrows would be different. So there are two arrows means these two lines are parallel with each other. Single arrow means these two lines are parallel with each other. So this is one of the indication that these are the parallel lines. Now let's look at this picture. In this there is one pair of parallel line. So this is first line. There are two lines, line AB and line CD. These are parallel line. And what is the transversal? Transversal is line PQ. So why we have how to identify that this is the third line which is intersecting the set of parallel line which is line AB and CD. So if the third line which intersects two parallel lines, so that line is called transversal. And when this type of case happens, so four different types of angles will form. Now what are those angles? We have to be look at very attentively and very closely. So let's name the angle. This is angle 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 3, and this is angle number 4. Angle 5, angle 6, angle 7 and angle 8. So these 8 angles will behave in 4 different ways with each other. What are those 4 different ways? First of all, vertically opposite angle. we have already discussed, that's why I'm starting with vertically opposite angles. So this is the very first type, vertically opposite angle. So in the previous videos we have discussed that if two lines intersect with each other, two straight lines when intersect with each other, so the opposite angle are equal to each other. The angle form at the opposite side of each other, those are called vertically opposite angle. So these are the two straight line, and these are the vertically opposite angle to each other, and the size of these two angles are equal to each other. It means that angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Similarly, angle 2 is equal to angle 4, and same will happen over here. Angle 5 is equal to angle 7. Whatever the size of angle 5 would it be, it would be same as angle 7, and angle 6 is equal to angle 8. So this is the first type, which is vertically opposite angle. Now let's move towards the second type, which is corresponding angle. Corresponding angles. These can be identified with the letter F. Corresponding angles can be identified with the letter F. First of all, this is very important thing, that how to identify corresponding angle, which letter is used to represent corresponding angle, and how to identify it. This letter F could be proper F like this, and this F means these two lines are parallel, and this is the transversal. The angles under the arms of these under the arms of the letter F are equal to each other. So now let's look at over here very attentively. Now I have hide this picture with these paper. Now you can see this letter F. There is a letter F is forming, and under the arms of the letter F, all the angles under the arms of the letter F are equal to each other. It means that angle 2 is equal to angle 7. Whatever the size of angle 2 would it be, the angle 7 would be the same as that of angle 7. This letter F is not necessarily that it is a proper F. It could be inverted F like this as well. Now you can see another letter F which is inverted, which is like this. Can you see this type of letter F? And under the arms of the letter F there are two angles, angle 1 and angle 8. It means that angle 1 is equal to angle 8. So this is another set of equal angles, and corresponding angles are equal to each other, just like vertically opposite angle. So they are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal, and corresponding angle under the arms of the letter F are also equal to each other. This is the relationship between these two angles. Now there is more possibility of finding letter F. Another inverted letter F over here. Can you see this letter F? Another inverted set of letter F like this. So this is another set of letter F, angle 4 and angle 5. So it means that angle 4 is equal to angle 5. And there is one more possibility. So this is the last possibility of letter F, in which you can see flipped and mirror image of letter F, angle 3 and angle 6. Keep this thing in your mind that we are not talking about this letter F under the arms of the letter F, and the lines should be parallel with each other. These two lines should be parallel, and this is the third line, which is transversal, and under the arms of the letter F all the angles are equal to each other according to corresponding angles. This is the property number 2, which is corresponding angle. Now let's move towards the another property. So I'm raising this F in order to make some room. So these are equal angles, equal to each other. Corresponding angle are also equal to each other. Now let's look at the third type, alternate angles. Third type is alternate angles, and these can be identified with the letter Z. Now we will see. So these type of angle can be identified, alternate angles can be identified with the letter Z. Now Z can be inverted again with the like flipped image, and they are also equal to each other. Alternate angle are also equal to each other, the relationship between them. So now let's do some exercise in order to find out a letter Z. So let's hide some of the picture in order to find some. Now can you see this type of Z which is left over? This is a letter Z. Under the arms of the letter Z there are two angles, angle 3 and angle 8. It means that according to alternate interior angle, these are interior side, inner side of the line, so they are called alternate interior angle. So angle 3 and angle 8 are equal to each other. Angle 3 is equal to angle 8 because the size of these two angles are equal to each other and they are on the opposite side of the line. So this is one of the letter Z which we have identified. Now let's find out another letter Z. So there is one more letter Z which is forming over here like this. So we need to hide the picture in this way. So this is the second letter Z. Sorry, we have done with this like this. So I need to hide this and this. Now can you see this type of letter Z in front of you starting from here? So again I'm saying this is just a technique to identify. It's not necessary that a proper Z is forming. These two lines are parallel to each other. This is the first condition, and under the arms of letter Z there are angle 2 and angle 5. It means that these two angles are equal to each other according to alternate angle, and they are on the either side of the line. That's why they are alternate angle, and alternate angle are equal to each other, and they are called alternate interior angles because they are inner side of the line. That's why they are called alternate interior angle. So are there an alternate exterior angle exist as well? Yes, alternate exterior angles also exist on the outer sides of the line of the letter Z. Now if these two angles are alternate interior angles, so it means that angle 4 and angle 7 are alternate exterior angles, and they are also equal to each other, angle 4 and angle 7. Similarly angle 1, if 2 and 5 are alternate interior angles, so angle 1 and angle 6 are alternate exterior angles. So this is all about alternate angle. They can be identified with the letter Z. Under the arms of the letter Z, if angles are there, it means that they are alternate angle. Now the last type is interior supplementary angle. The fourth type, interior supplementary angle. Supplementary, this word is very important. Interior supplementary angles, and they can be identified by the letter C. This C can be like this and it can be like this. Again, the condition is that these two lines must be parallel with each other. It means that this is the transversal. The word supplementary is telling us that the sum of the interior angle should be sum of interior angles is equal to 180 degree. This is the condition it means that interior angles are not equal. Like in alternate angles are equal, vertically opposite angles are equal, and corresponding angle are also equal, but interior supplementary angles are not equal. Their sum is equal to 180 degree, and they can be identified by the letter C. So now let's search for a letter C. So here we can find out letter C. It's not very difficult to identify letter C in our picture. So here we go. Can you see a letter C? Can you see a letter C? Yes. Can you see a letter C? This is angle 2 and this is angle 8. These two lines are parallel, and this here we go, this is line B, this is line D. So it means that this line is coming all the way over here and going down and then coming back again over here. It means that under the arms of the letter C, the sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degree. Again I am repeating that these are not equal angle, their sum is equal to 180 degree. So they are called, that's why they are called interior supplementary angle. The word supplementary, do not forget the word supplementary. Similarly, there is one more letter C which you can see. I hope you can see a letter C. So there we go. So can you see another letter C? Under the arms of the letter C there are two angles, angle 3 and angle 5. So their sum is equal to 180 degree. So these are the properties, only properties which we have discussed. Now we will apply those properties in the problems. And if we know only one angle out of all 8 angles, we can answer or we can find out the size of all the 8 angles. Now let's do some activity and let's start with it. For example, if I am saying that the size of angle 1 is equal to 50 degrees. For example, if the size of this angle is 50 degrees. So if angle 1 is equal to 50 degree, now let's fill out the same for all. Let's find out all the angle, all 8 angle with the help of these property. So if the size of the first angle number 1 is 50 degrees, so according to vertically opposite angle 1 and angle 3 are equal. So the size of angle 3 will also be equal to 50 degree. It means that now I am writing all the answers of angles over here. Angle 1 is equal to 50 degree. Angle 3 is equal to 50 degree. We have finded out the size of two angles. Now according to corresponding angle, angle 1 and angle 8 are equal. So it means that angle 8 is also equal to 50 degree according to corresponding angles. Now similarly, angle 50, angle 1 and angle 6. Angle 1, there are so many, there it can be possible that there can be more than one property can be applicable at a single time. So we can apply the vertically opposite angle over here property, and we can apply alternate exterior angle property over here. It means that according to vertically opposite, this is also equal to 50 degree. According to alternate exterior angle, angle 1 and angle 6 are equal. So it means that angle 6 is also equal to 50 degrees. Now all the angles which are the leftover, all angles are equal with each other. If we find it out one angle, so the size of all the angle would be equal. Now let's start with this property. Angle 3, we know the size of angle 3 which is 50 degree, but angle 5 is unknown. So we are writing angle 5 as it is over here, which is equal to 180. So we are going with the interior supplementary angle property. Now angle 5 will go over there and will get subtracted. So it would become angle 5 is equal to 180 minus 50, which is equal to 130 degree. It means that the size of angle, it means that the size of angle 5 is 130. So if angle 5 is 130, so it means that angle 5 is equal to 130. It means that angle 7 is also equal to 130 degrees. 130 degrees. So if angle 5 is 130 according to inverted F, angle 4 is also equal to 130 degrees. So angle 4 is equal to 130 degrees, and which one is left over? Angle 2. According to vertically opposite angle, this angle is also equal to 130 degree. So this is the way how to find out all the unknown angle in a set of parallel lines and transversal. If only one angle is known, we can find out the rest of the angle. Now in the next video we will do some exercise, we will do some questions, practice question, exercises question, in order to get more detailed knowledge and more knowledge about these type of question. If you have not liked and subscribe our YouTube channel up till now, so please hit the bell icon button, subscribe it and like it, and please do not forget to share our YouTube videos in your friend circle. Thank you for your support.